How high can you hear? Take this test and you can find out how young or old your hearing abilities really are. Our ability as humans to detect high-pitched noises decreases over time. Ever got annoyed at a high-pitched whine from an old television that your grandma couldn't hear? That's what we're talking about. Younger kids with healthy ears can usually hear in the range of 20 to 20,000 hertz or vibrations per second. As we age, however, this top end starts to go down. Ready to test how good your hearing is? Simply stop the video the moment you can't hear anything anymore. Headphones are strongly recommended for accurate results. Are you ready? Let's go. How did you do? Let us know in the comments. If your result was lower than you expected, don't worry too much. Almost every sound we hear in everyday life is less than 5,000 hertz, and this test is not an accurate representation of the quality of your hearing across the spectrum, only your ability to detect almost unnaturally high sounds. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. We'll see you next time.